All right, so we've nerded out on this diagram. Let's show some examples of what rustic boards look like. This one, we've got an example of a very rustic board. We're probably sitting around here-ish on the diagram. You've got rustic, but it's also quite heavily brushed. You can tell that the board itself has big fills in it, and it's quite hard to tell the brushing, but if you do look quite close up, you can see the texture of the brushing machine going through it, and when you touch it, it is, I guess, not flat. It's very textured. We've got another board here. This one's been bandsawned, but if we start with the y-axis, this board is actually quite, at least this segment of the board is quite prime in grading. No knots, no fills, but we are up here in terms of the processes applied. This has been bandsawn, so horizontal lines across the board. This actually emulates what they did when they chopped trees down a long time ago. It was sawn, so then this back and forth motion creates these marks. If you look a little bit up close, you can see those marks there. That one probably sits around here in terms of being rustic. And then we've got one here that has been tumbled. The board itself, once again, is probably sitting here-ish. You've got a knot here, some pin knots here that are making the board look a bit more interesting and featured. But this one has actually been tumbled, so we're up here in terms of process. Not sure if you can see, but this has been put through a machine where nails are thrown against this board, creating small dints to make it look like this board has been around and used for a very long time. So there you go. That is what this diagram is showing in real life.